This is my heater, and this is my cat. Are you comfortable? You like that heat? It looks like it hurts laying like that. Having your face up against that bar? Well, I guess if it feels good to you, it's alright. She lays like that all the time, and sometimes she puts her nose in between the two holes right here. And just sits there for hours. She knows I'm talking about her. There's her tell. This is Sane in disguise. And just to let you guys know, I will be putting out more videos. It might take a while, but there will be more videos coming out. See you in the next.